Feeling inspired? Why not head over to hurstdoors.co.uk and check out the online door designer. You can upload a photo of your house, try out a range of styles, colours, glass and hardware options, and compare your designs to see which you like best. It's the perfect way to decide what will work best for your tastes, needs and home. And if you're not feeling inspired yet, not to worry. Why not start by heading to Pinterest or Instagram and looking at some of the front door ideas there? A quick Google search will take you to plenty of information on trends in everything from colour to decor. So get browsing and be sure to save your favourite images. Another great way to get inspired is to look at other homes on your street, in your neighbourhood or further afield. What do you like? What don't you like? Keep some notes in your phone and use them to tailor your visualisation. And for more useful information, including blogs and frequently asked questions, head over to hurstdoors.co.uk. The perfect front door is just waiting to be unlocked.